So you got kids that are raising their hand saying, I like to work on cars, and we're creating an environment where they don't want to work with us because it's just a bunch of kids. They don't see a career path. They don't see anything.
Right.
So that part of that is broken. And the other part of it is broken is they can't do the work that would be recommended. Customers have to be handed somewhere else. It's just, we create so many issues for ourselves and we're losing track of the outcome. Like, is it a better customer experience doing the quick lube? For a minute. But then the quick lube gets so busy it's not. But for a minute it is. But then are our sales going up? Are the customers coming back?
Not usually.
Not usually.
Yep. I do think that the one thing I would say that...
Oh, that's funny. You have a logbook?
Yes.
Yeah.
So regardless of how much technology I see in a store, if I go into a service department and I see a service advisor with this, Chris is making fun of me because it's very old school, but
that's how I think.
any sort of a logbook.
The only thing is I want the bigger, we have a bigger one.
Yeah, you like
I like
the one
big.
that takes up the whole desk. I like this one right here. But any sort of a way to keep track, and there's just something to handwriting stuff. I get it that computers do so much and there's route sheets and all that stuff online, but there's something with, at least for me, when I write someone's name on a sheet of paper that I'm going to not forget about them.
Yeah.
And I think that what I would tell you is that I think that as an advisor, let's say we're to, go back and start writing service, I would definitely look at things like the video and the text message as opportunities. I would still track them on this thing, but I would always be ahead. I would always be proactively ahead of the videos and the text messages. And I'm controlling the narrative just like Howard does with the picture. Like everything happens through me. But if I can have a customer see a video that their brakes are worn out or that there's a leak underneath their car, I look at that as just building credibility for me. But it has to go along with the story that I'm telling. It's not the story. So, kind of to your point is at the end of the day, what is it that gets us to where either a better customer experience or we sell more? Preferably both, because your happiest customers spend the most money.
Yeah.
So I think there's a world where you can make all that last, but just start here and get good at this first before you add more stuff in. That's the hardest part is that we add things before we're good at the easy stuff.
Yep. I totally agree. So, I mean, I think we cover this a lot when we talk about tablets and all that, but no, the tech is not improving communication. Who you are is who you are.
You will not magically just be an amazing advisor because you got the text or video feature. You can be an amazing advisor and have those things as tools.
Your biggest lever, the leverage lies in your relationship with your customers and your ability to build trust and make friends.
I agree with that.
You can't just automate it. It's not they're not robots. They're people, and we got to treat them like people. Thanks so much for watching this clip of Service Driver Revolution. We're uploading new stuff every day, so make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out. If you have a question you'd like us to answer on the show, call 8333-ASK-SDR and we'll answer your question on the show. That's 8333-ASK-SDR. For special deals on our books and training, head over to offers.chriscollinsinc.com. Now that's offers.chriscollinsinc.com. I'm Chris Collins, and I'll see you in the next video.